Hey everyone, Cindy here. I hope you all had a happy new year and had a really good holiday break, because I know I certainly did. As many of you are aware, over the holiday period there has been quite a surge of Omicron COVID cases, and I actually didn't think I'd know so many people personally who have had COVID or even had COVID now. So that's why today I wanted to talk about immunity. So the overall function of your immune system is to prevent or limit infection. And the immune system does so by distinguishing between normal healthy cells and unhealthy cells by recognizing a variety of danger cues known as DAMPs, which is short for danger associated molecular patterns. But did you know that there are actually two distinct immune systems? So you have your innate immunity and you have adaptive immunity. What is innate immunity? So innate immunity is our first line of defense against microbes in our immune system. It does so by taking the non-specific approach to find and fight bacteria or viruses. And the system won't be sensitized to pathogens through external methods such as vaccinations, because this system responds really quickly but also really broadly. And since it can't recognize specific strains of bacteria or viruses, it's not stimulated by a specific antigen. And that's why innate immunity is essential to defend your body, or you can develop chronic infections. Meanwhile, adaptive immunity, what is that? So adaptive immunity is, you might know as acquired or specific immunity. And this is when your system is exposed to a pathogen and it develops specific and specialized responses. And the specificity helps you respond quickly if your body detects the same pathogen again. This is your core immunological memory. Basically, like the COVID vaccine helps your adaptive immunity. However, there are things that you can do on top of that to support your innate immunity. Here are some 5 simple things that you can do straight away to really boost your innate immunity. So number 1, get adjusted, because chiropractic adjustments help the body function its best by removing any nerve interference, because it's your nervous system that controls every cell, every muscle, tissue and organ in your body. Number 2, drink lots of water and stay hydrated, because having enough water helps the kidneys to do its job, which is helping balancing electrolytes and filtering waste in the body. In saying that, staying hydrated also includes consuming less alcohol, because it's crazy how the stats have just skyrocketed around alcohol in Australia, during the COVID pandemic. So the ABS, the Australian Bureau of Statistics, have found that sales of alcohol has actually increased in just 1 year, 2019 to 2020, has increased by 26%. Third thing is you want to eat anti-inflammatory foods. I know Christmas and New Year's was just over, and then before you know it, it'll be Easter. But during this time, it's really important that we keep in mind about our intake of high-calorie foods, high carbs, and sugars, which can be found in many chocolates, desserts, baked foods. And in saying that, I want to let you know though that it's still important to enjoy your time around your family and friends, but more so this down period. Yeah. The fourth thing is you want to be out in the sun getting vitamin D, because vitamin D is really essential for boosting your immune system. It enhances your white blood cells, which decreases inflammation, which helps promote your immune response. Lastly, you want to take care of your gut, and you can do that by taking a high quality life probiotic, and it's because a lot of our immune system comes from our gut. So yeah, those are 5 really simple and practical things that you can start to implement in your life to boost your innate immunity. So if you do have any questions about your immune system, don't hesitate to ask.